Enabling two-factor authentication on Wufoo adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wufoo account. Access the Wufoo website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the Profile menu or sidebar. Click on it to open the settings page. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and account and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your phone number or use an authentication app to receive a verification code. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the verification code, confirm the setup and save your changes. Ensure that two-factor authentication is now active by checking the status in your account settings. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on Wufoo, enhancing the security of your account.